Welcome back! If you're new here, welcome to the chaos. Today, we're looking at the alternator. The purpose today is to get that thing spinning at 60 Hertz, which is 60 rotations per second. And we hope there's not a repeat of what happened last time. I might be dumb, but I ain't stupid. Well, that's not very insightful. Run it back. Taking a step back on the safety measures, since it didn't explode last time. Fingers crossed it doesn't this time. I think that did a lot better. I was actually able to confirm visually that we got above 60 Hertz, hit 66 at one point, a peak of around 31 volts, peak to peak. And yeah, let's take a look. Alrighty, not the most professional way of doing this, but we can see here that the time per division is 50 milliseconds. And if we zoom this in, yeah, I would have to change the horizontal scale if I want to figure this out like this. For now, we're just going to approximate. I think it was about 28 volts, 27.8 volts at 60 Hertz. But what you would normally do is look for the same point between the two waveforms that are moving in the same direction. So we could either do this at the peaks or at, you know, the rising point, the midpoint of the rise. There's a couple of different ways you can choose a point, but we would find the time period for that to reoccur and then grab the inverse of that. So let's just do a horrifying approximation. We're saying that this whole little box is 50 milliseconds. So if we bring it back, that would be 25. Bring it back a little bit more, we'll say 20 milliseconds. So 0, 2, and then we want the inverse of that. So that would say around 50 Hertz, which at this point in time, due to the update rate of my display, it was saying around 62. So it's a little hard when it doesn't want to update its displayed measurements as fast, and I'm not smart enough to set the horizontal scale to the right scale. So yeah, we'll come back to that another day. Anyways, that's what would happen on the back end. That's pretty good. It's pretty good. Pretty scary speeds, but pretty good. Anyways, thanks for hanging out. See you guys next time.